Friends, welcome to the Spiritual Science Part 6. One can have vision of Sri Bhagwan even while staying at home. Gopis have a vision of the divine at home. The Gopis believed that our Sri Krishna is with us wherever we go. Uddhavji's knowledge was descended after seeing such Gopis in the Braja. After the satsang of the Gopis, Uddhavji said, I salute again and again to these Gopis foot dust living in the Braja of Nand Baba, and I put it on my forehead. The praise that these Gopis have made in relation to the Leela story of Sri Krishna. They are purifying the three lok and will always be purifying. The Gopis look Sri Bhagwan in everything. They say, I see my Lord in this tree, in vinse, in flowers, in fruits. My Krishna does not leave me. Gopis have vision of God at home. Sri Bhagavat has said that stay at home. Do your doing. Then you will be able to attain God. Living in the house is not a sin, but keeping the house in mind is a sin. Not everyone needs to be a monk. If you take all renunciation, then who will welcome the monks? Who will honor them? The loving devotion of the Gopis is so divine that they have attained the Lord even while living at home. They become Sri Krishna's form. In this way, whose mind will be found in Sri Krishna, it will become Sri Krishna form. Such supernatural devotional path will be described in this Bhagavad Shastra by Lord Vyas. And this devotional path leads to get vision of God. Srimad Bhagavat will also make each of your behavior devotional. Bhagavat will coordinate behavior and charity. You will enjoy the same Ananda at home that yogi enjoy Ananda sitting in the forest. Bhagavat Shastra has been composed so that the householder can get the same pleasure. At the yogi in the Samadhi, give up the materialistic happiness and awaken the love for God is the aim of the stories of Sri Bhagavat. Bhagavat means the path to meet the God. The one who takes shelter of Sant becomes Sant. Similarly, one who takes the shelter of Bhagavat becomes divine. Bhakti can be done not only in the temple. Wherever you sit, no country or time is needed for this devotion. Devotion has to be done round the clock. One who maintains such a distinction between time of devotion and time of indulgence cannot do devotion. Do devotion continuously. Keep the Brahma connection round the clock. Always take care, always be careful not to fall into illusion. If you like the video, please like and subscribe and share this video to encourage me. To read the same topic, click the link in the description. Thank you.